What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Icewing Plate Gloves in Crimson Desert. Looking for minimalist armwear? This could make the cut. The Icewing Plate Gloves gives 16 points of attack and 2 points in defense. It's got 2 Abyss Gear slots, all occupied. One provides 1 point of damage reduction, and the other some level 1 lightning resistance. It's located in the northern part of Payloon, just northwest of the Silver Wolf Mountain. It's just to the left side of a lake. Travel to where my waypoint is until you see a waterfall with a pile of rocks in the middle of the woods. In front of it is a smaller lake with some weird hose sticking out at the end. Next, ready your weapon and stand close to the waterfall. Do the stab move with shift and right click and you'll get to the other side. Prep your lantern and move deeper until you see some chests and other valuables. Loot the main chest to get the gloves, and don't forget about the other loot as well. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.